Welcome to my channel MediCare. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon. Thank you. Top 5 benefits of uses mustard oil for health. Mustard oil is a popular cooking oil in many parts of the world and has been used for centuries for its various health benefits. Now we will discuss top 5 benefits of uses mustard oil for health in this video. Number 1 is good for the heart. Mustard oil is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 2 is improves digestion. Mustard oil has been traditionally used as a digestive aid and can help improve digestion and prevent digestive problems like constipation and bloating. It stimulates the production of digestive juices and bile, which aid in the breakdown and absorption of food. Number 3 is good for the skin. Mustard oil has antimicrobial properties and can help prevent and treat skin infections. It also contains vitamin E, which is a natural antioxidant that can protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and UV radiation. Number 4 boosts immunity. Mustard oil is rich in antioxidants and can help boost the immune system. It also contains selenium, which is essential for the proper functioning of the immune system. Number 5 helps reduce inflammation. Mustard oil contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation in the body. It has been used traditionally to treat joint pain and other inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Overall, mustard oil can be a healthy addition to your diet and has numerous health benefits. However, it should be used in moderation as excessive consumption can have negative effects on health. Conclusion. In conclusion, mustard oil has a variety of health benefits that make it a valuable addition to one's diet. It is rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help improve heart health, digestion, skin health, and immune function, and reduce inflammation in the body. However, it is important to use mustard oil in moderation as excessive consumption can have negative effects on health. It is always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching our channel MediCare. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon. Thank you.